misses him in domestic cricket.
We've only got two players. Oh, a sharp catch it again. It's gone all the way this time. Well, no one out there. Shot enough. Bang. Good morning. Good afternoon.
It's not always Saturday where things don't go according to plan. It went straight into the hands of Deep Wicket yesterday. But he gets off the mark in style, does Abhishek Sharma with a boundary.
Are we seeing the same? Blessing strike still gone. That's a huge wicket. And India 10 for 1.
Gaikwad wants to join the party and he does with 4. Not going to plan today for Raza. Slower, tempting him to possibly go through mid-wicket, but Gaikwad ably sweeping that one with the turn and bounce. It's a very safe shot to play. Things today. Let's add another 6 to that, perhaps the biggest of the afternoon. That's out of the ground. It doesn't matter what the size of the boundary is. It's about the distance that Abhishek Sharma can conquer, and he conquers this quite easily. The sound of the bat, sensational. He goes again. He gets 6 again. What a way to bring up 100. The first in international cricket. 3 sixes to get there. This is an innings worthy of a Sharma at the top of the order for India. Abhishek Sharma has arrived. A star is born in Harare. Abhishek Sharma. The potential existed. The talent was there. And now he's doing it in the blues for India. That's not his problem. Finally, to the relief of Zimbabwe, Dion Myers holds on. Wellington Mazakatsa perhaps has some consolation, but the damage is done, and a brilliant innings has been witnessed at the Harare Sports Club. Abhishek Sharma gone for 100 striking.